Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford Explorer. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855144. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see this blue covering here. You want to peel that blue covering off before you install the mount. And this tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, the tape isn't going to leave any marks or residue behind. The second thing we want to mention, always install your mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now on this mount, it's going to be inserted into your vent, basically right under this silver trim at the top and right on top of the silver trim on the bottom. So the first side you want to install is the upper lip, and that's the side with the tape. You're going to peel the tape, and wherever you want it to go, it can go anywhere along the vent. You're going to insert that up here just until it's flush with the silver piece, and your tape presses up against the underside of the vent here. Once that's in place, you're going to use your fingers and press up on the underside until this lip snaps up over the bottom of the silver trim on the bottom here. All right, once that's in place, we do recommend leaving it for 20 minutes so the tape can set up. But once that's set up, you'll have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.